Yes, nothing is running in the behind. Yes, guys. Now, what is the module name? Import 5 figlet. 5 figlet, guys. Okay, 5 figlet. Okay, right. Now, in this 5 figlet module, there is a function called right figlet underscore format figlet format of I am giving here a string, for example, Narayana, guys, into an object. I'll take the object name, something string object. You can take any variable name, right? It's a variable, guys. Okay, any variable name. I am taking here print of string. Okay, print of string. That's all. All of right. Now let me run this one. Let me run this one. Let us see how it's going to display now. Yes. All of you can see the name, right? All of you can see the name here, right? All right, right. So means to display a string in the different fonts, Python supports a module called 5-figlet module. All of right. You can see the name, right? You can see the name like this here. You can take any name, right? We can suppose let's take here n space t space h. I'm taking space also, guys. I'm taking space also, right? Now all of you observe here, right? All of you observe here. Okay, and the people who are doing the Django projects, guys, listen. So normally we are displaying welcome to Narayana Tech House in that projects, right? There is a normal font, but guys, you try to use these fonts. Now I'll show you some fonts now. This is one default font. I'll show you some fonts. These things are try to use in the projects also. Okay, fine. Now, so here now I'm going to take one argument, font equal to I want to slant, guys. I want to display slant, font to slant. Let us see now. Let us see here font to see guys, slant. All of right. Okay, slant. We can take any name, right? For few names, we'll use the full name, guys. Okay, let's take something like this. Okay, you can take your name. I'm taking my name, guys. Okay, yes, right, fine. So what's the font I have taken here? We have taken the slant, right? Slant, guys. This is the one font. I take all the fonts here, guys. So I take the okay hash. What's the font name? Right, slant, comma. Because you can have a number of fonts. I'll take all the names one by one here. One more is there, that is I think 3D, guys. 3D, right? 3D. Let us see now font to 3D. Let us see here. All of you just observe here. All of you observe here, right? Observe here. Okay. This is the one. Which one is the 3D, guys? Okay. What is the font name here? The font name is 3D. I'm copying and all these guys here. 3D font, right? You can give the some size also. I'm giving size like 3 by 5. I'm giving size a 3 by 5. It's one of the different font, guys. Which one? They are given 3 by 5, right? 3, right? By 5 also possible. Let me check once. 3 by 5. It's not finding. Okay. I think we'll use some size, guys. Here I take here, suppose 5 by 7. Let's try different size. 5 by 7. Okay. So guys, I'll check once because we'll give the size also. I'll check on this one. Okay. Yes. We'll see this one. Next one. One more is that is some default names. File line oblique. Oblique is file line oblique. These are all default things. File line oblique. File line oblique. Now all of you can observe here. All of you can observe here. What's the name? What's the name here? File line oblique. These are all default names. See, one of the font here, right? One of the font. Okay, one of the font. Right? I'll take that one. I'll use here, right? I'll use here. That's all. Right? Next one. Now see guys, this is a very good, excellent now. Alphabet guys. Alphabet is there. What does it mean? It means now all of you observe. Suppose I want display n. I want display n with all n alpha n characters. Means I want like all small n. Means I want display n with all n characters guys. With all n characters like this called which one? We're using alphabet. Okay, we're using the alphabet. Right? Alphabet. Now, yes, as can you see here, right? If you take the all font capital letter Narayana, yes. Now all of you can observe, right? So first you can see, right? We can see here N is there. The N built with which one? Built with N characters. Okay, N built with N characters. Next, second one A is there. The A character built with which one again? A characters, yes, right? A characters and R and A again Y N, right? Like this. So what is this one here? What is this one here? This is the okay alphabet, right? Alphabet, guys. Okay, alphabet, right? Next one. We can have one more thing, right? We have one more thing, right? That is Subrat Dana DOH, guys. Right? DOH. Now this is very beautiful. You can see now. Well, it's very more number of characters are there, right? More number of characters are there. It's better, guys, to take with just observe, guys. Now I'll take just NTH, guys. Okay, right? NTH. Now, yes, guys, observe here. I have taken the only NTH, guys. All of you can observe here. I have taken the NTH, right? NTH, okay. Yes, guys. Okay. Next one. Right now, let us see one more thing. I think some banner 3D, guys. We have seen already 3D, right? We have seen 3D already. Already have seen 3D, right? Now one more banner 3D is there. Banner 3D. Let us see now what comes in banner 3D. See, banner means some background is red, some background is there. Background dots are there. In the background, right? Just the character displaying. All of it, right? See, it seems in right in villages, guys. In villages, in villages. At the time of marriage, right? Some marriage parties, what they do, they built like one banner with all lights, guys, small lights, red color, blue color, all lights. They built one kind of banner. Not banner is not a paper, guys. It is a electrical things. And all lights will be there. There they display the names, photo they display like this. The background, all lights will will keep on blinking, and the names will display, guys. Okay, that's what like it seems like that, right? Okay, next one. Sorry, guys. What is this one? Right, it is a banner, right? Banner 3, guys. It's the banner 3D. I think I forgot here, right? DOH. Yes. Next one. Let's see one more thing here. Let's see one more thing. Right, Subrat, letters. Okay, let us try letters. Let us try letters. It got stuck. What happened? So 1 second, guys. It got stuck. I think letters is there. Letters font is there. So, guys, these are all default fonts. Actually, these all are the default fonts, guys. Yes, guys. Can you see here, right? Letters same as it is. All of right. Letters came here, right? Letters came. Okay. Yes, like alphabet, right? So letters also is there. Letters also is there. Yes. Next one. I can take here. One more is the right isometric. METRIC, guys. METRI. I think isometric, right? Let me check this one. Isometric problem is there. Where is the problem, guys? Here isometric. I think one isometric one, guys. The name is metric one. Yes, Allah, you can observe here. Allah can observe the name. The name see. How is the name, right? Okay. Yes, this is the isometric one, right? Okay, I'll copy this one, right? I'll paste here. Yes, guys, right? Next one, I think Subrat, you're saying WA1, I'll check once. I think it may be also available. No, right? It's not, I think, right? Sorry, Subrat. Because you are giving suggestion, right? That is also there. I think one more is there. Dot matrix, guys. Dot matrix, okay? Dot, oh, you're saying OB is beautiful. Okay, okay, sorry. Dot matrix is there. Dot matrix is there. Yes. All of you observe here. See how look it is. It's very neat and right, very neat and clean, guys. This one, right? It seems very neat and clean, right? Okay. Yes, this is which one? Dot matrix, guys. Dot matrix, right? Dot matrix. Okay. Dot matrix. I'll take dot matrix here. I'm taking all those separately. You can try later, guys. Okay. I'll share this program. However, you can try this one. I'll run this. I'll remove this one. Bubble, right? Bubble, B, what's BU, BU, I think, BUBBL, right? Yes, correct. Bubble, let's check the bubble here. Let's check the bubble. Oh, see, right? At this time, if you have the full name, then, guys, it seems very nice, right? If I take the little bit lengthy name, I'll take, suppose, right? Narayana Tech House, right? Let us see now. Yes, all of you see bubbles, right? Around every name, right? You can see bubble formatted, right? Bubble formatted, guys. Okay. Yes, that's which one, guys. What's the name here? What's the name here, right? Bubble. Okay, bubble. Yes, guys. I'm taking that name here. That's the bubble. Next one, something giving by Subrat. Digital. Just I'm following you. Just whatever available, if you know, just give those things. Okay. I'll take your names also. Some names, whatever giving there, all of you. I'll take this one at top so that we can see both program output. Right. What we take the next one? I'll remove this one. Right. Digital, right? Digital, digital, right? Digital. Given by. Let us see now. Yes, right. Can you see, guys, right? Digital paper. Okay, digital format, guys. Okay. Yes. What's the name? Right. What's the name? Digital, right? Digital, guys. Right. Next one. What next one? Any suggestions, guys? If you know anyone, anything, right? Let us try here, right? Bulb head. I think it is there. Yes, right. Bulb head. BULBHEAD. Okay, bulb head. Right. Bulb head, guys. Okay, bulb head. Let us see now what it means, right? Bulb. Oh, right. See, guys, the style. See, these are all with our characters, right? If you observe, guys, these are with our characters only, right? If you observe here, see, these are all our special characters only. You can see. So, suppose, right, underscore is there, right? Opening bracket, slash is there, okay, underscore, opening closing brackets, all those only. With those only, just the name is developed, right? Right? What's the name here? What's the name here? Sorry, got stuck. So all of you, my screen got stuck, guys. 1 second. Yes, fine. Okay. Yes, guys. So which one? This is the bulb, guys. Okay, bulb head, right? Yes. So like this, guys, right? Like this, we can have a number of things, right? But out of all, guys, out of all, which seems very nice. I think out of all, I think it seems very nice, guys. Okay, very simple one, right? It's also a very nice one, right? Isometric one. This is the which one? Isometric one, right? Sandeep Kumar, right? Was giving one font name, right? I try that font name also. Whatever the name you are giving, that I'll try that name also. Yes, you are giving here all. Sorry, all right. All TOR, right? TOR. Let us try this one. No problem. Just close the. When you get the type of error, just close this one. Which one? This output ideally, right? Just on this one again. Oh, right. See, right. It doesn't looking nice, right? Okay. Some clumsy is there. If you take, I think, just three characters. If you take the length name, guys, right? NTH, then it may looks nice, guys. Yes, right? NTH. Now you can see, right? You can see, guys, now. Okay. Yes. Fine. Fine. Any other fonts, guys? Any other fonts? Any other fonts? Any other fonts available? Okay, ICD, na? Is it fonts, Subrat? LCD, I think, right? LCD. Right? LCD. Yes, yes. Okay. See, different fonts, guys. Different fonts. But the thing is, what's the module name, guys? We use here, right? Pi Figlet, guys. Okay, Pi Figlet module we use, right? So fine, guys. All of this one, right? In the Pi Figlet, so what's function name we are using? The function name Figlet format, guys. Figlet format function. That one, just give the string what you want to display, and just give the font. If I don't give the font, right, default font is there. Right? Default font is there. It displays a normal default font.